Well, this is a 2005 Honda stepwagon, and the door is giving some problem. So I'll show you what it is like, how to fix your lock if it is that it's giving you trouble. Alright, so this is how the lock is uh, set up inside. So take off the electronic part, just repair it. I'm gonna put it back on, and I'll show it to you when it's on. So this is what it looked like, and this part here, it break, so it wasn't closing automatically. So what I did, I drill it out, and then install a pin, and then glue it up with some special glue. This is the glue. Yeah, yeah, nail glue. The magic of nail glue. So that's what I use to put it in. So I'm just gonna reinstall it now, and then I'll show you what it's like. Alright, so it's now installed, and I'm just gonna show you how it works. Before it wasn't working. So this is in the lock, the open position. That is in the lock position. So before it wasn't working. Now it's working. Nothing. So right now it's like putting all the pieces together. Yeah, so far the door cover is back on, and I'm just gonna put on the handle and everything. Yeah, and that's how you do it yourself.